And this is a ecological engineered system where it is very near to nature. Like whatever we are seeing in ponds, the wastewater is being treated in ponds by using the plants which is grown in itself and by using the bacteria. So we have developed a process which we name it as a miniature ecological system, where we use 3 stages of plants. One is in first thing we are using root zone, and second one submerged plants, and third one is polishing pond, where fish is being used to remove the suspended solids. This can be used for any like polishing of water purpose in industries or for treatment of some water bodies.
After getting all these treatment strategy in our lab, we are generating lots of effluent. That effluent we can't throw as it is, so that has to be further treated. For that, this is the ecological engineered system, where this is the 3-stage process, and each tank have a specified plants. For example, this is Eichhornia, which can easily remove the heavy pollutants, and it will grow there also. And along with that, when we come to the next phase, it is the Salvinia and Hydrilla. Hydrilla we are using for the it is doing photosynthesis and releasing oxygen to the aquatic system, and here the dissolved oxygen we are increasing along with the treatment. And when we are coming to the third tank, this is like a polishing tank. It have a fish also, so we can check the toxicity and everything of these wastewater. And when we are going to the final stage water, that is treated to a larger extent, which is which we can use easily for the any recreational purposes like gardening, farming, and even for swimming pool. Means it's treated to that extent. And along with the treatment, there is a electricity generation in all these systems. For that thing, it have a integrated.
Apart from the treatment system, we are integrating the microbial fuel cell in this system, so that to produce electricity. In each tank we have accommodated 4 fuel cell assemblies, sediment type of assemblies, to get more power. So in each tank 4 electrode assemblies are there, 4 cathodes and 4 anodes. By integrating all these 3 electrodes, we are running a watch. We are getting nearly 2 volts now, so that we can run watch continuously. It's a green power, where we are not using any chemicals and other things, and it is a completely ecologically